students. Now next topic is that is electrophilic addition reactions. Electrophilic addition reactions. Generally electrophilic addition reactions are participating in alkenes and alkynes. Once again students, alkenes and alkynes are undergoes electrophilic addition reactions. Alkenes and alkynes are undergoes electrophilic addition reaction. So here in this addition reaction, now very most important point, that is in this electrophilic addition reaction is intermediate carbocation is formed. In this first point student, in this electrophilic addition reaction intermediate carbocation is formed. Now second point is carbocation is rearrangement also possible. In this electrophilic addition reaction carbocation rearrangement also possible. And next point student, that is reactivity of reaction is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation. Reactivity of reaction is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation. And next point is student, that is formation of carbocation is rate determining step is rate determining of reaction. Once again student, formation of carbocation is RDS, means that is rate determining step of reaction. So next point student, that is generally reaction is known as Marconi of addition reaction. Generally reaction is known as Markovnikov addition reaction. We know student what is the Markovnikov addition reaction, what is the Markovnikov rule. So generally all electrophilic addition reactions follows the Markovnikov rule. 90% of reaction follow the Markovnikov rules. Markovnikov rules, what is the Markovnikov rule here? Negative part of the according to the Markovnikov rule student, negative part of the substance will attacks carbon which contain less number of hydrogen, that is called Markovnikov rule. Once again student, negative part of the species will attacks carbon which contain less number of hydrogen, or positive species will attacks carbon which contain more number of hydrogen carbon, that is the Markovnikov rule student. These are the main important points of electrophilic addition reaction student. Now take the example. In electrophilic addition, first attacker is electrophile. In electrophilic addition reaction, first attacker is electrophile. What is electrophile? What is nucleophile student? What are the electrophiles? What are the nucleophile? Electrophile means that is electron deficient species. Electron deficient species means positive species. What about nucleophile means? Nucleophile means electron rich species is called, that is negative charge species, that is called nucleophile. These are the important reagents, that is electrophile and nucleophile. Electrophile means positive species and nucleophile means negative species. I will give one example student here. Now take the first example, that is CH2 double bond CH2 react with HBr to give what is the product, that is CH3 CH2 Br. This is the product student, this is the product. So here in this reaction H plus and hydrogen is positive species, Br is negative species. This H plus is called electrophile and Br minus is called nucleophile. We can write the mechanism. I am writing here mechanism. First ionization of HBr, it gives rise to, that is H plus plus and Br minus. This positive species is called electrophile and this negative species is called nucleophile. So we can write the mechanism student here, CH2 double bond CH2, that is alkene. What happened here? First step, what happened in first step, that is bond breaking. Bond breaking means this carbon in between double bond is there. This bond shifting towards right or left, any side, we can, both are equal. So this bond shifting towards the right side. So here left hand side carbon getting positive charge and right hand side carbon getting negative charge. This first step is the bond breaking. Now next step, what next step, what happened here, this first left hand side carbon having positive charge is there, right hand side carbon having negative charge is there. First attacker is in this, in the electrophilic addition reaction, first attacker is electrophile. First attacker means electrophile. Electrophile means what? That is positive species. H plus is positive species. This positive species always will attack negative charge side, means this H plus will attack negative charge species, means that is CH2 minus. This H plus will attack always negative charge side. So what happened here, product is CH2 plus then CH3. This is the intermediate carbocation. This is the first step is called rate determining step. This is the RDS, rate determining step. The first step is called slow step or rate determining step. In first step, H plus will attack the negative charge side. So that is intermediate carbocation is formed. This is the intermediate carbocation. This is called intermediate carbocation. This is intermediate carbocation. Intermediate carbocation is stable. This intermediate carbocation is stable due to the hyperconjugation. Due to the hyperconjugation, this positive charge right hand side is carbon is there. This carbon having 3 hydrogens are there. These 3 hydrogens are belongs to alpha carbon. So it is 3 alpha hydrogen. Here 3 hyperconjugates are present. So that is the, what is the purpose of hyperconjugation? To stabilization purpose. So here this intermediate carbocation is formed. After that, in second step, what happened in second step, that is in second step is nucleophile Br minus. This nucleophile will attack positive charge species side. So what is the product here? That is CH2 Br then CH3. This is the final answer sheet, that is the ethyl bromide. This is the electrophilic addition reaction. This is for mechanism of alkenes mechanism. Now take the one more example, student, that is I am writing here one more example, that is we can write, that is CH3 CH double bond CH2 in the presence of HBr. So what happened here in this reaction? What happened here? In the presence of CCl4, the CCl4 is non-polar solvent. It is the inert solvent CCl4. What happened here? This bond shifting towards right hand side. Why? Because of these double bonded carbons. This double bonded carbon left hand side is methyl group is there. What is the role of methyl group? This methyl group is always electron releasing. So that's why this bond shifting towards always right hand side. Why? Because this CH3 group is electron pushing toward this. So that's why this bond shifting towards the right hand side. So what is the product here? This CH3 CH, this carbon getting negative charge and this carbon getting negative charge, this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge. Here in this HBr, H is positive charge and Br is negative charge. So we know condition, that is this H plus in electrophilic addition reaction, first attacker is electrophile. This H plus will attack negative charge side and this Br minus will attack always positive charge side. So what is the final product we can write? That is CH3 CH, here Br then CH3. This is the answer, student. This is the electrophilic addition reaction. So we can write mechanism also. We can write mechanism here. HBr is there. This HBr on ionization, it gives rise to H plus plus and Br minus. This H plus is called electrophile. This H plus is called electrophile and Br minus is called nucleophile, we know. So we can write the, take the example, that is CH3 CH double bond CH2. So what happened here? In first step is bond breaking. So this bond shifting towards the right hand side also cannot shift to left hand side. Why? Because of this left hand side having plus I group is there. This plus Si group is always electron releasing group, so that is the reason this electron pushing from left to right only. So this bond shifting towards the right side only due to the presence of plus Si group. Plus Si group means electron releasing, means electron donating, means that is this CH3 group is that is pushing the electron. So this bond shifting towards left to right. So we can write that is CH3 CH plus, this middle carbon getting positive charge, this carbon getting positive charge, and this carbon getting negative charge. In first step, what happens to in first step, first attacker is electrophile. In first step is first attack the electrophile. In this reaction, first attacker is electrophile. What is the electrophile? That is H plus, positive species electrophile. This electrophile will attack always negative charge side. So we get what is the product, that is CH3 CH plus then CH3. This is called, it is called secondary carbocation. It is the secondary carbocation. This secondary carbocation is the intermediate carbocation. This is the intermediate carbocation is formed. This is the second intermediate carbocation is intermediate component, that is secondary carbocation. This secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation. So that what is, this is the stabilization. This is the intermediate carbocation is formed. So after that, next step, now here second step, now what happened in first step is will attack electrophile. This electrophile will attack always negative charge side to form, that is secondary carbocation is formed. The second, next after that in the Br minus, next step is Br minus will attack negative charge side. This Br minus will attack, that is negative charge species side. So what is the product, final product, that is CH3 CH then Br then CH3. It is the 2-bromopropane. This is the final product, student. In this first step is, that is in the first step, that is rate determining step or slow step. First step is called rate determining step or slow step. In first step you always, first attacker is electrophile. In first step electrophile is will attack on negative charge side. In first step, that is positive species. This positive species means electrophile. This electrophile will attack, that is negative charge species side. So this is the, to form a intermediate carbocation is formed. Form a intermediate carbocation is formed. After that, that is second step. Second step is the fast step. In second step, nucleophile attack, that is negative species. This nucleophile attack, this nucleophile will attack, that is always positive species side. So that is the positive species side. So the final product is, that is 2-bromopropane. This name is called 2-bromopropane. So these are the electrophilic addition reaction, student. In electrophilic addition reaction, first attacker is electrophile and second attacker is nucleophile. This is the very most important, student. So here in electrophilic addition reaction, intermediate carbocation is formed and rearrangement also possible. These are the important terms, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.